Close to 10,000 runners from 50 states will flood the Portland Marathon Racecourse this Sunday.
The average age of the men is 35 years old, although our Lisa Balick caught up with a runner. He's 80 years old. He's a Portland racer. He's making a comeback.
I didn't start running until I was 44.
But once Ray Langston took off running, he didn't stop. It all started with his daughter challenging him to get healthy. His running passion ignited so much that when he turned 50, he had a crazy idea about running marathons.
I thought, I wonder if I could run 50 marathons in 50 weeks when I was 50 years old.
He did it. But 4 years later, his running passion hit the wall.
From 54 to 79, I didn't run for 25 years.
Why'd you stop?
Just, I just kind of got burnt out.
The former smoker then fought bladder cancer. But when he retired from his newspaper sales job last September, he set a new goal: to run a marathon when he turned 80.
The hardest mile I ever ran was the first one when I started back. It was
how old?
79.
Yet what started as a 2-mile jog blossomed into a training regimen of 8 to 10 miles every 2 days. Friends give him lots of encouragement.
80 years old, most guys are on the wrong side of the grass at that point in their life, but he's doing great.
Langston decided what's within reach is the half marathon, just over 13 miles. At a 12-minute pace, that should take him about 2.5 hours. Here's a little secret why he's the comeback kid on the course.
My mind and my body, I'm between 40 and 50. I'm not 80. I'm 40 or 50, and quality of life is everything to me.
Look closely at this 80-year-old. You can see the determination developed over the years, strength and stamina, inside and out. When Ray reaches the finish line this weekend, he's not finished yet. He plans on training for several more months to be able to complete a full marathon by the end of his 80th year. That's September of next year. In Northeast Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.